Some of you guys are still not putting thumbnails on your YouTube videos. I don't care if it's long, I don't care if it's short, they need thumbnails. Step up the professionalism a little bit and let's go. I'm gonna give you no excuses not to do a thumbnail. Here's my process, simple. Open Photoshop, find your video, go to Google Images, type what you want. Make sure it's high res, copy, image. Go to your document, Control V. Right-click your layer, convert to smart object. Adjust your size. Spot healing brush. I'm gonna get rid of link here. Doesn't matter, we're going to Gaussian blur this anyway. It'll be almost unrecognizable. Come up with a catchy title. Add some drop shadows. Make the title as large as possible on the left side. Add more drop shadows to the word you want emphasized. Add a bevel or special effects to the word you want emphasized. That looks good. Choose your colors. Okay, gonna change the color of the background because it's green with a gradient overlay. Oh, gradient overlay. Okay, that might be good. Let's find out. 30% or so. Shade red. Don't like it. That's a done deal. I'm gonna add a picture of my face. Use that picture. Remove background. Okay, we're gonna bring this one over on top. It's not great, but guys, it's just a thumbnail. Not a big deal. Get to work. Let's go. Don't be afraid of a little work. It's not a great picture, but you know what? Who cares? The thumbnail. Doesn't matter. They don't have to be that good. They just have to be there. Snip out a little bit of the garbage. This messed up over here, but you know what? Who cares? It literally doesn't matter. I'm gonna do filter, neural filters. We're gonna use that. Smooth out my skin a little bit. It's a hilarious picture. Smooth it up. Looks like I really moisturized that day. Blending options, outer glow, not red. Usually white, but sometimes other stuff. Normal. Opacity is way too high, so bring the opacity down a lot. It's kind of a terrible thumbnail, but guess what? I don't care. All you have to have is a thumbnail. And put some kind of effort into it. Even if it's minimal, it counts. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bevel emboss, see if I can improve the look of this. Separate it from the background a little bit. Okay, good. Let's make the letters stand out a bit more and then we're done. Stroke on rad, stroke. Increase the drop shadow. Increase the drop shadow on Shay. There we go. Not too bombastic, please. There you go. Usually letters on the left-hand side, title. On the right-hand side, some kind of image. Title and export. Hashtag shorts if it's a short. Add your thumbnail, game title for games, content proof it, submit rating, next, 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 unlisted. And there you go. Do that for all of your videos, short or long.